Capture output as a TTY in Python. I have an executable which requires a TTY, a stdin and str, and want to be able to test it. I want to input stdin and capture the output of stout and str. Here's an example script. I can run this without TTY, but that gets caught by .icity and each return false. I want to capture the stout and str and have all three return true, as a TTY. I can use party to make a TTY stdin. I've tried a bunch of permutations to make stout and str TTY to no avail. The output I want here is
The code below is based on JFS answers here and here, plus your idea of using 3 pseudo-terminals to distinguish stout, str and stdin, though note there's a cryptic warning that something may go wrong, such as a possibly truncated str on OS X, by doing so. Also note that, as of Python 3.10, the doc.say party is tested on Linux, Mac OS, and FreeBSD, though it is supposed to work for other POSIX platforms. Yields.
Just wanted to add a readline iterator, plus graceful shutdown, a version of it unutboo's answer. Example usage.